Hey everybody, how's it going? This is David, and today I'm going to be checking out the Invicta Object D Art watch. I got this after returning the Seiko 5 that my wife got me for my birthday because it was a little too small for my wrist and wasn't really my style, to be honest. And I really wasn't that impressed with the presentation. The box was a little too plain. Kind of looked like a Chinese product. It really didn't do much for me. So I returned that and I got this Invicta Object D Art watch. It's a skeleton watch and I think it looks a lot better. It's heavier and in my opinion just screams quality more so than the Seiko 5, in my opinion. Obviously, the Seiko 5 is regarded as one of the best automatic watches for the price, but it just didn't do it for me personally. So I got this Invicta. I remember getting an Invicta Pro Diver for my dad on his birthday, which is actually cheaper than this model. And I really like the presentation of that watch, and I really like how that watch looked. That was a beautiful watch, even especially for the price point. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this and check it out. So first of all, the box here, really nice presentation. You got these slots here in the top, kind of looks like a sun ray or something like that. And then in the front here it says Invicta with invincible in detail as their slogan. And supposedly they've been around since 1837. So that's pretty cool. I really like the box. It's yellow, very bright. And all you gotta do is open it up. And here we are presented with the watch. So actually, here's the little manual. I already opened this previously. And the manual is like hidden in here, but I just put it aside. But here's a limited warranty and instruction booklet, kind of telling you a little bit about the watch and your warranty and all that. So if you don't know much about automatic watches, this is a good little booklet to read. And here's the watch itself. It's covered in this yellow little pillow here. Let's put that aside. And here it is. This is an automatic watch. That means it's a mechanical watch, which has a self-winding feature by this weight here. So as you walk around with this watch and you wear it, this thing moves around and winds the spring all by itself, which is great. Just gonna open this up. So I'm gonna remove the plastic now and we're gonna check out what the watch looks like. All right, finally, here we go. I got this color choice. This is like a gray metal color. On the Amazon photos, it does look a little bit lighter than it does in real life, but in real life it looks very dark. It's more of a gunmetal gray in real life, or blackish. Definitely has more of a blackish look to it. It's definitely more on the black side than it is on the gray side. But what are we doing here? I was actually looking for that kind of watch because all my other watches are pretty bright, so I wanted something a little more dark. I do wear a lot of black, so it will really complement what I wear. So we can see here, this is a part skeleton watch as well, so you can see through the entire watch. See my finger right through the watch, and you can see the mechanism of the watch itself as well from the front, which is a really cool thing. Skeleton watches are some of my favorite types of watches. I really like how they look. I think they look super cool, especially if the mechanism is really beautiful. I think it really adds to the aesthetic of the watch, rather than just, you know, putting a faceplate on top of whatever is inside. I really enjoy the inner workings of the watch itself, and seeing the little uh, little gears and all that working. So if you want, we can take a closer look at the gears and all that. Very beautiful operation. And it's a very beautiful watch. It's quite weighty and feels great. Obviously, I got to get this thing adjusted to my wrist, but so far I think it looks very masculine and very nice on my wrist, unlike the Seiko 5, which looked a little too small and old school for my taste. You also have a rotating dial here on the top. Let's go ahead and remove this. I'll show you that. And here's this little crown here, just a time with it. Very beautiful watch. I love how thick it is.